Hi guys, in this video we'll show you how to remove CD radio sat navigation head unit RNS-E and RNS-D on Audi A4. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So first you have to use 4 special keys. We have here a radio 2 removal set, and we'll use the Audi keys. You can find a radio 2 removal set like this in the video description below. Insert those 4 keys in that 4 holes from the sat navigation head unit. Insert the keys with the flat edge on the outside and push it until you hear the click. You have to insert the 4th key after you have folded down the sat navigation display. So press on the button and then insert the 4th key in the left corner. Then you can pull the 2 keys to take it out. Then remove the 4th key after you remove the sat navigation to avoid scratching the display that will close automatically. Then remove the other keys. You just have to press on that tab to remove it from the side. I will show you later how to remove the keys. Then remove the sat nav and then disconnect the cables from the back. Press on that tab to remove the cable. Then pull that cable. Also press on the tab to remove the cable. Remove the harness, squeeze the 2 plastic parts, then pry it out. Let me show you how you remove the harness. You just have to squeeze those plastic parts and then take it out. Then lift it up and take it out. So this is the sat nav. So if you want to remove the keys, you just have to press on that tab and then while you're pressing, pull the key out. to remove this navigation plus, this RNS-D, you just have to follow the same steps like we showed you on the previous sat navigation. So use those 4 keys to insert in that 4 holes. Then pull on that keys to remove it. And then you just have to disconnect the cables from the back. But first you just have to remove the keys. Then press on that tab to release the plastic and then take the harness out. Then pry the antenna out. Then press on that tabs to remove the cable. So you have to squeeze those 2 tabs to remove it. Then take that plastic on the side to remove the cable, just pry it out, and that's it. Then you have this harness, this black harness that you have to remove it. Just have to squeeze those 2 tabs to remove it. The first one has 2 tabs, the second one has just 1, and the third one also just 1. You can take it out individually. If you have any suggestions about Audi tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.